Organizational structures influences the authority of project manager and influences how the projects are conducted. All organizations are structured in one of the three ways. Hello, if you are new here, I'm Mohammed saud.arif, a project manager by profession with aim to share my knowledge with all the project management aspirants. Today I have bring you a topic about project management organizational structure. So let's get started. What is a project management organizational structure? A project management organizational structure is a framework that defines how a project will be managed, organized, and executed within an organization. It determines how resources will be allocated, how communication channels will be established, and how decision making will occur. The structure can vary depending upon the type and the size of the project, the complexity of the task involved, and the organization's culture and values. So there are three types of organizational structure. Number one, functional structure. Number two, project based structure. Number three, matrix structure. Functional structure. In this structure, individuals are grouped based on their specialized skills, such as marketing, finance, or engineering. A project manager is assigned to oversee the project, but the team members report to their respective functional managers. This structure is efficient for routine projects but can lead to conflict in priorities and goals. Project based structure. In this structure, a team is created specifically for the project, and team members are selected based on their expertise and skills. The project manager has complete authority over the project and reports directly to top management. This structure is effective for complex projects within defined scope, but it can be costly. Matrix structure. This structure combines elements of both functional and project based structure. Team members are assigned to the project and report to the project manager, but they also report to their functional manager. This structure allows for flexibility and resource sharing, but it can lead to conflicts between projects and functional goals. Thank you for watching the complete video. I hope this video will add value and improve your knowledge. Please like and subscribe this channel and stay updated. Stay blessed. Thank you.